Welcome back to another video. YouTube, we are going to be going over Vechain for this daily update today. First things first, we're going to start out on the weekly chart. We're going to put it on log, and we're going to be doing our daily Moon Boy talk as far as where do we think that Vechain can go to the upside from here on the weekly. Can we go to get to that $5? Can we get to that $10? Can we get all the way up to the $30 mark? What is it looking like for the Fibonacci's as far as on the weekly goes on log scale? Then what we'll do is we'll go drop back down to a little bit of reality, talk about what's going on in the daily. What do we need to see in the more immediate short term as far as what price targets that we are looking for our price predictions. We'll be using Fibonacci, we'll be using EMA, all of that fun stuff. All right. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us on Discord, and follow me on Twitter. And most importantly, if you guys would like to learn how to make $286 in 17 minutes like I did right here, or $312 in an hour and a half like I did right here, or even 4,400% like I did right there, then go down below the video, sign up to BYBIT using my link right here. You can get up to $1,600 for free. And once you do, as a thank you, I will send you guys my course completely for free. There's no catch, there's no gimmicks. All you got to do is sign up and deposit onto this exchange and start trading. If you already have an account with BYBIT or another exchange, that's fine. Just transfer your money over to this new account, transfer your crypto, and start trading. And once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you this course completely for free as a thank you. And also, too, don't forget, once you join the Discord, also as a thank you, we do have this trade and chill section here where we actually do live trading. So this trade right here that I actually took it live in the Discord. So make sure you guys are joining us there. And without further ado, let's jump back into the video. So for Vechain, sorry, I had my mic muted there for a second afterwards for some reason. For Vechain, what are we looking at? Well, if we go to the weekly, let's flip it over to the log section right here. Basically, we have a couple of options here to look at. One, we have some negative fibs, and we have three options. So let's look at our fib expansion first. So from the start to the low, we have the 1.618 coming in right about here, okay? And so what that means is that we've already hit the 1.618. You guys can see that we got that respect around this area. Then the next area that we're looking for is the 2. So usually after you have hit your fib expansion 1.618, the next level is going to be the 2.618. Okay, the 2.618 is coming in all the way at this $3.50 mark. All right, and so that's what this is looking like for the fib expansion. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Let's go ahead then and turn to the trend-based Fibonacci extension. We're going to do this. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. We have our 1.618 coming in right about here. So you can already see that we've come around to the 1. We've got it started to get a little bit of a pullback. And then we have our 2.618 coming in right about here, about this $12 mark, $13 mark, okay? So from the fib expansion, we have 350, and then from the trend-based fib, which is usually better because, you know, this, we might have more data that's missing or something like that, right? So the better bet is to use this trend-based Fibonacci extension and look at those numbers. So we have the 1.618 coming in, and we have the 2.618. But I just wanted to give you guys, I want to give you guys all the options. I want to show you exactly what we're looking at as far as Fibonacci's go. Sometimes they all line up, sometimes they don't. Now, the next thing that we need to be looking at is the negative fibs, okay? And so if we're looking at negative Fibonacci, we can have this, and we're going to put it on the log scale. And so you guys can see here, the negative 1.618 is coming in right here. The negative 2.618 would probably come in close to around here. So this $2 mark right here, but we could also say this, right? We could also pull it like this. And the reason why I'm pulling it like that is because it is showing us that if this is the actual high, well, let's do it more, I guess, like more realistic, I guess you could say. If this is the high of the wave and we are going to continue our way way up to the upside, right? If this is a wave 1, as far as Elliott wave theory, this is a wave 1, then this is a 2, then we're going to go up for the 3, You guys know that the 3 is usually a 1.618, right? So if this is a if there's waves within waves, so if this is like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we have our correction. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within a wave 1. That means that our wave 3 could end up being all the way up here at this $1 mark. Okay, $100 for Vechain we could be seeing, according to the Elliott wave theory, based off of negative fibs and Elliott waves. Okay, so, but again, we do have other Fibonacci levels before that $108, but that is basically the ultimate target according to Fibonacci, negative Fibonacci mixed in with Elliott wave theory. If we've already had our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1 put in, and now we've put in our ABC correction, because for the ABC correction, you basically just need, you have your A, you have your B, you have your C correction coming in right there, and then now we could be starting off to the upside. All right, so I've given you guys some targets to be looking out for on the immediate short term, because again, if that is a wave 3 and we're putting that in, then that means that we could come up, get a little bit of a rejection, get a little bit of a rejection, and then boom. So then this could be the wave 1 of wave 3, then this could be the correction, then this could be a wave 3 of wave 3, then this could be the wave correction, and this could be wave 5 of wave 3. So then that could just be the whole thing right there. All right. So that's something to be looking out for. Again, this is hyper moon boy talk. So these are just speculations and ideas. All right. Let's get down to the daily level and look at more immediate short-term ideas that we could be applying to what's going on with Vechain right now. But I'm just showing you guys that's what we could possibly have. So I don't want to make this video too long. So the first thing that we are looking for are these 2 levels right here. Okay. We need to be looking out for these 2 levels. Why? Well, one, if we pull our Fibonacci and do this, and we go to best, and we get off this damn log scale. Yeah, okay, it's not. So our 618 golden zone right here is coming in at this level right here. So that's going to be a high level of resistance right about here. But in the more immediate short term on the daily, we did break above this level right here, which is a key support resistance zone. We didn't break above it. I'm sorry. We are trying to break above it. This is a key support and resistance zone right here. You guys can see here. It was acting as support. Then it flipped into resistance. Now it's acting as resistance again. So the first thing that we need to see it do is break above that level. And then we'd want to see a little bit of a back test, because usually when you back test something that was once resistant into support, then it's like, okay, we have our support. We have our foundation. Let's go to the next level. Boom. We need this to be flipped into a support as well. And then from there, the next level is this golden zone. That's what we really want to see ourselves get to on Vechain, is that golden zone. If, however, we do see this and we get a little bit of rejection, we start coming down, we have to see these next levels of support and resistance being held. This right here, acting as a resistance here, a resistance here. We want to see that flipped into support. If not, then the next level is all the way down here. So that would be putting in a lower low, and that's not what you want to see. You do not want to see lower lows, because then that's basically the definition of a bear market, or to the downside is when you're printing lower lows and lower highs. We want to see this continuation of higher highs and higher lows. That's all we want to see on Vechain. So that way we can start working our way to the upside towards that golden zone around 2 cents, okay? Or 20 cents. All right. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to go down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We do this on a daily basis. Join the Discord and follow me on Twitter. And most importantly, again, like we were talking about earlier, if you guys want to learn how I made $286 in 17 minutes, or how I was able to make $312 in an hour and a half, or even the super amazing luxurious crazy trade that I took where it's 4,400%, go down below, join us over on BYBIT. You can get up to 1,600 for free. And most importantly, once you do that, I will send you my course for free. There's no gimmicks. There's no nothing. You don't owe me anything. All you got to do is sign up, deposit money onto the account that you just made, and start trading. Once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you my course completely for free. And if you already have an exchange with an account with another exchange somewhere else, it doesn't matter. Just take that money, even if it's on BYBIT already, take that crypto, put it onto your new BYBIT account that you used with my link, and I will send it to you. Just message me and let me know that you did that, and we'll hook you up with that. And then also, too, most importantly, when you join the Discord, you will be a watcher, okay? You'll be a watcher. Just post up your charts. Let me know that you're serious, and then I'll change you from a watcher to a trader or charter, you can see here. And that gets you access to this trader and charter section where we are posting up some of our ideas that are netting, 2.6%. Someone right here, let's see, 7.4%. In fact, it's already up now probably because we're taking the highs. So yeah, Max is posting up his ideas, you can see here. And there's all of that fun stuff. And then also too, just in general, people are posting up a lot of their wins. Norse, Terry Bong, Mr. Gixer. So yeah, we're just a good community. We're actually live trading over here. We scalp trade, we day trade, we swing trade, we trade all the trades. So you guys can see here, just a bunch of people are joining in with us. So yeah, hit the like and subscribe button. Join us over on BYBIT, Discord, Twitter, all that fun stuff. I'll catch you guys on the next video.